Have you ever wondered why some dreams remain just that, dreams, while others are transformed into reality? Let's delve into the power of dreams. Dreams, those vivid images and stories our minds create, hold a profound potential. They're not mere illusions but a manifestation of the world we aspire to live in, the life we yearn to lead. Our dreams and goals are the compass that guide us through life's uncharted waters, directing us towards our true north. They are the seeds from which the tree of our life grows, branching out into multiple possibilities. Having dreams isn't just whimsical, it's essential. It's the fuel that propels us forward, the spark that ignites our passion, and the vision that illuminates our path. But remember, dreams alone aren't enough. We must breathe life into them, transform them from the abstract to the tangible. Remember, dreams are not just figments of our imagination, but a reflection of our deepest desires and ambitions. Now, having a dream is one thing, but turning that dream into a tangible goal is another. Imagine your dream as a mountain peak. It's majestic, daunting, and seemingly unreachable. But you can't just teleport to the top, right? You need to climb, step by step, and that's where setting goals come in. Goals are the stepping stones that lead you to your dream, the checkpoints that guide your journey. Think about setting goals as writing your own adventure story. You are the hero, your dream is the ultimate treasure, and your goals are the challenges you must overcome to reach it. But remember, not all challenges are created equal. Some are too easy and don't push you forward. Others are too hard and can leave you feeling overwhelmed. This is why your goals need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific goal is like a detailed map. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say I want to run 5 miles without stopping. This gives you a clear target to aim for. A measurable goal allows you to track your progress. It's like marking your map every time you reach a milestone. So I want to run 5 miles without stopping within 2 months. Now, you have a way to measure your success. An achievable goal is within your abilities. It pushes you, but doesn't break you. If you've never run before, starting with a marathon is not achievable. But running 5 miles in 2 months? That's a challenge you can rise to. A relevant goal aligns with your dream. If your dream is to climb a mountain, running 5 miles is relevant. It builds the stamina you'll need for your climb. And finally, a time-bound goal has a deadline. It creates a sense of urgency that pushes you to take action. I want to run 5 miles within 2 months, gives you a finish line to race towards. Setting a goal is like setting a destination on your GPS. It gives you a clear direction and a roadmap to reach your dream. Setting a goal is just the beginning of the journey. The real challenge lies in achieving it. The road to achieving your goals is often steep, filled with challenges and obstacles. But don't let this discourage you. Instead, let it fuel your determination. Let's explore some strategies to make your journey towards your goal a successful one. First and foremost, you must embrace the power of persistence. Persistence is like a river, constantly flowing, never stopping, and over time it can carve even the hardest of stones. Your dreams are that stone, and your persistence is the river. No matter how many times you stumble or fall, get back up and keep going. Next, hard work. There's no substitute for it. It's the raw material of success. Every moment you dedicate to your goal is a brick in the castle of your dream. Don't shy away from putting in the extra hours, the extra effort. Remember, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart as well. Discipline is your compass in this journey. It guides your actions and keeps you on track. It's about making the right choices, even when they're not the easiest ones. It's about staying true to your course, even when distractions abound. And lastly, resilience. It's your shield against the storms of doubt and failure. When things get tough, resilience keeps you moving forward. It's the ability to bounce back stronger and wiser from every setback. Let's draw inspiration from those who have walked this path before us. Consider Thomas Edison, who made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Their stories remind us that the journey to achieving our goals is often filled with trials, but it's through overcoming these trials that we find success. Remember, the path to achieving your goal may not always be easy, but every step you take brings you closer to your dream. So, keep going, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep achieving. You've got this. Goals without action are just wishes. Let's take a moment to let that sink in. It's easy to dream, to visualize success, to set your goals high. But without action, these dreams and goals remain just that, dreams and goals. They hover in the realm of what could be, never crossing over into the realm of what is. So, why is action so important? Well, action is the bridge between dreams and reality. It's the vehicle that takes you from the land of wishes to the land of achievement. It's the fuel that propels your dreams into existence. Every step you take, every move you make, every decision and every effort is an action. And every action, no matter how small, is a powerful force. It's a declaration to the universe that you're serious about your dreams. It's a bold statement that you're not just a dreamer, but a doer. So, remember, every action, no matter how small, brings you one step closer to your dream. Now that you understand the power of dreams, the process of setting goals, and the importance of action, it's your turn. It's time to harness that power, to take what you've learned and apply it to your own life. Reflect on your dreams, your aspirations. What is it that you truly desire? Is it to write a book, to start a business, to travel the world, or perhaps to make a difference in the lives of others? Whatever it is, lay it out. Define it. That's your goal, your North Star, the beacon that will guide you through the journey of life. Now it's time to take the first step towards that goal. It might be small, it might seem insignificant, but remember, every great achievement started with one small step. So, don't wait, don't put it off until tomorrow, start today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today.